Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch this bitch, get on my nerves. Just on the block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now, see me in person and won't say a word. I think.
Ooh, boy. It's cold as fuck. Yeah, a little cold start from, well, it ain't even cold start, a little start from the inside. Finna have to go to work, 8:27. But we finna try to get this done before 9 o'clock. I'm pretty sure we can. Alright, we gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the road so y'all can hear what it sound like from the inside. I don't know though. I think it sound good without this exhaust leak, but let's see what I think that's gonna irritate y'all. But no. Like it sound the same, but it got, I don't know if it's that exhaust leak, but it got a little bit more rump to it. I smell it a little bit more too, I ain't gonna count. Like, I can smell the exhaust from the inside of the car. Like that, when I hit the gas, that'll be perfect. But they need a decent T in it. Wow. Now, let's see what it sound like I'm full decent. I'm too fast. Let me slow down a little bit. Here we go. I'm coming up out of there. I want to do this mean the difference. Y'all let me know. Anybody that know about welding, do this little piece right there. Like if it's dirty like that, do that make a difference? But I'm gonna put this back together, and then I got this little piece of metal that I cut off right here, and I'm really gonna put it there. Right up in that little hole. I don't even know if you can see it, but there's a big hole right there. I'm just gonna weld this right there the best I can so I can fill up that little hole, but I'm gonna set the camera up and let we back on the road and we just finished doing what we had to do, you know what I'm saying? And see, what's the crazy thing is that little hole made a big difference, because as you see, I'm cruising right now, you can barely hear it, but let me see if I roll it up there. Not that one. See, like, that one sound like it's just coming from the back, and that's really what I wanted in the first place, so it got a little exhausting, but honestly, for me doing it myself, it actually gave it a clean little noise, and I really don't even care that much about it. You really can't even probably hear it on the camera, so no cap, that's gonna be it for this video. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next on Gang.